everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices, one topic or one feature at a time. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you're able to create some awesome hyperlapse videos, especially when it comes down over into stars. Now this right here, this is the end result of what I have created. This right here is the original. Now, how you're able to first take a hyperlapse video, especially if you want to do one at night with the stars, or maybe you want to film a busy street with the car lights streaking, just go inside of your camera, head over into More, and this is where you'll have the option for hyperlapse. Now, inside of hyperlapse, this is where you're able to take a look at the speed on the top right-hand side. So you can tap this and you can change it from the regular auto, which is just good speed for recording sped up videos of really any scene. This is as if you're doing something like opening something. This one is good for recording traffic streaming by. You got this one, which is good speed for recording crowds of people walking. And then here's some of like the night stuff if you want. So this one's good for the movement of stars. This one's good for cars streaking at night. Good speed for recording sped up videos at night. So a lot of the night stuff is over here. You have auto, and then all of the daytime stuff over here. So when you choose this option, if you like to do stars, then you just hit on record. It'll record 300 seconds and then it'll turn it into 1 second. So to give an example of the time, let's say that you record with this 15 right here. Let's say that you record for 15 minutes, you will have a 1 minute video. This one right here, if you record for 5 minutes, you'll have a 1 minute. Record for 10 minutes, you'll have a 1 minute, and so on and so forth. So this one, again, is very good for stars. Now, moving right on back, let's say that you took your video, and this is the end result. So I'm going to put this one horizontally just so you can view it. So this is what it looked like. You can see some airplanes go by, sometimes some shooting stars. There's actually a few shooting stars over here that I have missed, but this just shows you, the rotation of the Earth. It shows you all of the stars. It's looking beautiful. All you'd have to do from here is if you swipe up, this is where you have options. And this is where you can edit pictures and videos. They have a bunch of really cool one-tap options. If you're just going to remaster the image or turn it into like a live photo, this is where you hit on star trails. Now, to show you what this looks like when this phone is vertical, just because it does look a little different, if this phone is vertical, you're looking at a picture or video, swipe up, this is where you have the option. Once you tap that, it's going to create this video right here. Again, super cool. You're able to watch all of the movement of the stars. You have the trail. You can see some stuff that you missed from before. You can see all those tiny little lights. Some of those are going to be shooting stars. These bigger ones are definitely airplanes. So this is how you're able to create a hyperlapse video. Also the explanation of all the differences of the 15 and the 5 and the 30 and the 300. Basically, we choose 15. Every 15 minutes you record, it'll turn into a 1 minute video. So this one right here, I recorded for, I believe, an hour, maybe an hour and a half. I think it was like an hour, and this one's only like 18 seconds long. So that is how you set everything up, and then you swipe up, and then you're able to add effects to pictures and videos. And when it comes down to hyperlapse, this is one of those. When you do it with stars, it gives you the option for these star trails. But hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my